Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at the best air fryers. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research and have listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Eating a healthy diet is essential to living a good life. Unfortunately, that means saying goodbye to a lot of delicious foods, or at least it did until the air fryer came about. This countertop vertical convection oven allows you to still enjoy deep-fried foods without all the unhealthy fats you get from the vat of oil you cook it in. The question now is, which one do you buy? Well, we've compiled a list of the 10 best air fryers on the market today and reviewed each one to help you out. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the air fryers in the video, just subscribe and leave a comment with a hidden word in the video. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best air fryers on the market right now. Coming in at number 10, we've got the NUTRICHEF Digital Air Fryer. The NUTRICHEF Digital Air Fryer is the most affordable option on our list. It's also one of the easiest to use. Simply place the food in the basket, push the on-off button, choose the time and temperature, or use one of the built-in pre-programmed cooking modes, and wait for your favorite food to finish air frying. Other features of this model include a safety automatic shutoff function, a non-stick Teflon basket, and a 30-minute timer. One thing you should take note of is that your food's flavor is better if you do use a bit of oil. Number 9. GLIP AF800 Oilless Air Fryer. Most of our picks for the best air fryers are sleek and modern in design. The GLIP AF800, on the other hand, has a retro vintage look that may appeal to those who like this style. While the control dials are in this period style, which is incredibly cool to look at, by the way, it doesn't detract from the model's ability to perform as desired. Some of the features include a 30-minute timer, a temperature gauge that reaches 400 degrees Fahrenheit, a heat-insulated handle, and cool touch housing. Coming in at number 8, T-FAL FC7002 ACTIFRY. The T-FAL ACTIFRY is a popular choice among consumers because it delivers exactly as it promised. You can cook all your favorite fried foods with only 1 tablespoon of oil, or less. It even includes a measuring spoon for you. You can also check the food while it cooks through a steam-free viewing window. And if you're likely to be busy preparing other things in the kitchen while your food cooks, the ACTIFRY comes with a buzzer that alerts you when the food is done. As an added bonus, this air fryer also comes with a filter to ensure odor-free cooking. Coming in at number 7, Big Boss Oilless Air Fryer. While most of our other picks don't allow you to see the food as it cooks, the Big Boss does. Made mostly out of clear glass, you can see your fries, chicken, fish, or whatever slowly turn into something crispalicious. Not that you need to watch it, because this air fryer comes with a temperature and timer dial. There are recommended time and temperatures for certain popular foods right beside the dials, plus one light to let you know when the air fryer is turned on, and another to let you know when it's heating up. Another feature you might want to know about regarding this air fryer is the fact that you can stack 2 types of foods using the air fryer's trays and cook them both at the same time. Number 6. GOWISE USA GW22621. If you're smart about your money, you'll definitely go wise. For less than $100, you get a top-quality air fryer that has a 30-minute timer, a temperature range of 175 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, a touchscreen, and 7 presets. No more guesswork needed when it comes to your favorite foods. Once you've done the cooking, the air fryer goes into standby mode, so you don't have to turn it on again if you need extra cooking, but it also doesn't continue heating up. Coming in at number 5. Phillips HD 964196 Air Fryer AVANCE TurboStar. One of the features that clearly stands out to us about this Phillips air fryer is the presets. You get 4 cooking presets for chicken, frozen fries, meat, and fish. This makes cooking a little bit easier for someone new to the air frying trend. In addition to that, you also get over 200 recipes from an app and a free recipe book. While it is 20% smaller than the XL, it still uses the same technology, which means you'll get crispy, fried results every time. Coming in at number 4, the Air Fryer by COZYNA. Unlike other fryers on our list, COZYNA's air fryer comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. That by itself makes this the perfect pick for consumers who want to find out if air frying is for them. Aside from that fun feature, you also get 2 cookbooks filled with over 50 recipes for you to try during that first month. As for specs, the COZYNA has a temperature range that reaches 392 degrees, a 30-minute timer, an automatic shutoff feature, and it's dishwasher safe. Number 3. AVALON Bay Digital Air Fryer. AVALON Bay's digital fryer is a certified crowd favorite for many reasons. Aside from the fact that it's over $100 cheaper than most of the high-end air fryers, consumers love that it comes with a non-stick baking dish, a metal roasting rack, a removable mesh metal basket, 30-minute timer, and a 52-page AVALON Bay cookbook. The temperature ranges from 200 to 400 degrees. It's also easy to use and clean. Best of all, it has a safety automatic off feature. Coming in at number 2, Black & Decker HF 110 SBD. If you're looking for something that's affordable, you may want this next one on our list. It's definitely not on the high-tech side because it lacks a touchscreen as some of our other picks. But at half the price of the Phillips XL, you still get a top-quality air fryer that does the job at half the power, only 1,220 watts. The size is smaller, which makes it perfect for small kitchens. And it comes with dual convection fans to speed up cooking time. Number 1. The best air fryer, the Phillips XL. One of the most expensive air fryers in the market also happens to be number 1 on the list. Why? Well, you definitely get what you pay for with the Phillips XL. You get tons of space, enough to feed a family of 4. You get a smart preset button, which allows you to keep the setting for your favorite food. You're able to customize the settings. The temperature reaches 390 degrees, and this high-quality machine comes with not just a recipe book, but a free app as well that has over 150 recipes included. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best air fryers. Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite air fryer? And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.